Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today we'll be showing you around this brand new exciting Audi A6 e-tron Sportback. It comes dressed in the gorgeous magnet grey, sure to turn heads when on the road. You have two charging points, one on the driver's side and one on the passenger side for AC and DC charging, as well as an 11 kilowatt onboard charger to make charging at home convenient or on the go. To the side of the car's profile, standing on 20-inch alloy wheels with the 5 twin-spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. Now to the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery, a centre armrest with 2 cup holders for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. And as you take a look around, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, along with the Audi skateboard dash. Sinking to the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery, and the front centre armrest for extra support and comfort. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips, and a gear shift pedal for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device, and a wide view of the navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. The MMI multimedia display, going on the home screen, going into navigation to help you easily find your desired destination, radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations, telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Below, you have the climate control settings, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature, regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. This electric Audi A6 e-tron is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.